We're feeling so good, just the way that we do when it's 9 in the afternoon. We were born over the world. We were flying through the satellites. We had a hold of the lightning strikes when we should have been afraid of heights. And I was trying just to get you, and now I'm trying to forget you. 'Cause I knew I couldn't catch you. To the flames, you'd hang on every word I say, but now they only ricochet. We were falling away, you left me with a bittersweet taste, but when I send my heart your way, it bounces off the walls you made. Ricochet. If I was whole, I'd turn right now, I'd forget it and just walk away. 'Cause I've been told that I'm dragging it out, that I've been dying just to see your face. And all I wanted was to say goodbye, and to the fortress that just stuck behind. And in the silence now I'm realized that after all, I built the wall. Oh, we were running the same, running like moths to the flame.
Alright, so the problem I thought I had all the pieces, but this piece right here was abnormally long because of kind of how the sink, this is a little weird spacing on the drains for this sink. So the 8-inch piece was not long enough. I had to get a 15-inch piece and cut like 3 inches off of it, but we're in business. We got the dishwasher hooked up. Doesn't seem to be leaking underneath there, so that's good. I don't see any leaks coming from the faucet, so that's good. We've got hot water, on-demand hot water, and that is this Rinnai. I think it's a 6.4 gallon. So we've got hot water in the house. We've got it to the kitchen sink, dishwasher, and to the laundry right now. So the next phase is going to be once I get the chicks out of the living room or the dining room here, we'll work on drywalling this in. We've got the mini split system is on its way, so it'll be a ceiling unit there. Need to get drywall and insulation here. I need to run a 14-3 wire up and over this vaulted ceiling down to this gang box here on this side, so that we have control for a ceiling fan on both sides of the room. So I'm actually going to have to probably punch a few holes here and fish that up and over. And I'll be also installing a front porch light here that will run. We'll have a switch here for that, switch here for the fan, or vice versa. And then we can go into the bathroom. Sorry for the poor lighting here. But speaking of lighting, I still have to do, there's going to be 2 of the recessed lights in here. We'll have a vanity light up along this ledge here, centered on the drain, I think is how my wife wanted to do that. I do have cold water for the toilet already through the PEX system, but these 2 are stubbed out. This is capped off for the eventual tub, and I need to reroute, need to abandon the old PVC plumbing that's coming up through the slab here, and that's outside. I can cut that off and cap it off, and then I need to put a new drain through this wall coming out, and also run a condensate line up into the attic, so that the 2-bedroom mini split units and the dining room mini split unit have a place to drain. And then that's just going to come in and it'll drain into the sink T, just like a dishwasher drain would be. It would just come in into that little stem, and that way it's protected by the P-trap. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this monumentous occasion for us. We've got the stove is supposed to be delivered next week, and so we could put that in. I still need to put up, this is the backsplash that we're going to use. So that still needs to go up. I still need to wire in the receptacles along the way. So I still have a little bit of work to do in here, but much improved. It's a functional kitchen almost as soon as the stove is in. But I gotta tell you, being able to wash dishes, even just in a big sink instead of washing them in the trailer all the time, being able to wash in this big sink, being able to give our son a bath in this sink versus having to take him over to my mom's place all the time to get a bath. It's pretty exciting. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, please like, hit the notification, the bell notification if you want to see the rest of the build out as we continue to work on this old 80-plus-year-old home and give it a facelift for another 80 years hopefully. And also for any of the videos with the animals and trees and all kinds of stuff that we've got going on here on the farm. So I appreciate your support, and until next time, take care.